Oblong hole punches are essential tools in leatherwork for making buckle slots and strap slots in leather. To protect your tool's sharp edge, place a poly board or a piece of scrap leather underneath your leather project before you punch your hole. You need a sturdy work surface that won't bounce, like a solid workbench or a tree stump. This is a large tree stump. My first tree stump used for numerous years was only about 9 inches wide by 18 inches high. Use a good weight mallet to strike your slot punch. As a beginner hobbyist, you may want to start with an economy oblong punch, as they are inexpensive. The leather wads are emptied out of the tube. I started with these tools. As I became more involved in leatherwork, I needed longer lasting quality tools. These heavy-duty oblong punches by Ivan are made from hand-forged Swedish steel and have a medium price point. The leather wads feed out through this hole. A full-time leather shop punching holes daily may consider the huge size range of punches made by CS Osborne, who have been making high-end leather tools in the USA since 1826. The oblong hole punch I used in the beginning of the video is a CS Osborne punch. It has been punching slots in our leather shop since the 1970s. Check out our large variety of slot punches at www.leathersmithdesigns.com.